Good morning, friends. Parth Sheth here from IBS Mumbai. I represent my IT group. The members Sahil Khandelwal, Virat Jain, Rohan Patarpekar, Anushri Kasat, and myself. I'll first take you to the entire project. The project consists of two forms. The first form being the login form, as you can see here, and the second form being the electricity form. Let's start the program. I'll first take you to the database before entering the program. This is the database which contains all the fields: name, address, month, previous reading, present reading, units consumed, bills payable after due date. I'll have to close this because the database won't save if it's open. Now let's run the program. The username and password for this program is capital Parth and password capital P. Just in case if I enter anything else other than it and click on submit, it'll prompt me that the username or password entered is incorrect. As soon as I enter the right password with P capital Parth and password as capital P, it will let me in to the form 2. The form 2 is electricity bill. Please look at the buttons below: add new, OK, search, edit, delete, exit, and calculate amount right here. This calculate amount is to calculate the units consumed, bills payable, and the bills payable after due date. All of these fields which you saw on the database earlier are connected through the database in this area. Alright, let's add a new entry. I'll click on add new. As soon as I click on add new, all other buttons will be disabled except the ones which you see. We'll enter a new number, bill number 10. We'll enter the name as IBS, the address as Powai, the month as any of the months in the drop down which you see here. The previous reading will enter as 1000. The present reading in the meter can be somewhere around 1500. As soon as I click on calculate amount, the amount is calculated. The difference between these two is reflected in this field. Every unit will be charged rupees 10. So the amount is 5000 rupees, and if it is paid after due date, 100 rupees extra. It's a 5100. I can click on OK, and as soon as I see this added, that means this has gone in the database. All these fields are now empty. The next button is search. I can search the bills by adding the bill number as that is a primary key. I'll be entering 10, the one which I've just added right now, and search. If the PC can search it for me, it says it's found. The one which we just entered, as you can see, it's fetched from the database. Just in case I want to edit any of these, I will not be able to edit the units consumed, bills payable, and the after due date, as these will be calculated by this button. I can either change the address or the name. I can change the name to IBS Mumbai and then click on edit. So it says edited, and in the database it will now reflect IBS Mumbai. I can also delete any of these by first searching from the bill number and then clicking on delete. It will first delete the same which we just added. As soon as I click on delete, it says deleted. The blanks are empty. If we try and search with the same number 10 and click on search, it will say it is not found as it has been deleted from the database. That is it for the project. The last button, exit, to exit. Thank you. Oops, I'll also try to go through the data environment here, which is the data connection through the database. We can right click on it and see the properties. As you can see the database here, the path for the database, and these are the 4 queries which are added in the add, search, edit button. We'll go to the queries, the add button, insert into table 1. I've written all these names, and all of these parameters which you see are externally created. These parameters as can be reflected here. The search window, search table 1, bill number as expression 1 from table 1, where bill number is equal to A, where A is a parameter which captures the bill number entered in the field. Edit, as you can see the query here, the parameter is externally created, and delete in a similar fashion. These are the queries which run when buttons from the form 2, add new, search, edit, and delete are pressed simultaneously. Thank you.